Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. And today we are recovering from my red day yesterday with a small green day today. We're up $8.20. I traded three stocks and I am green on two out of the three. And I've only had one trade today. One trade out of four? Yeah, four trades. So 75% accuracy. That is quick maths. So let's jump over into it. So here is my P&L for today. We're up $8.20. Woohoo. First trade today was on JDZG. But actually, before we get into it, when I kind of first sat down this morning, take my earbuds out. There was really nothing that looked good. One, price wise. So that was kind of a no-go. I don't really want to trade these more expensive stocks. And there was nothing like super obvious. Everything was kind of up around 100 something percent. So nothing too big right now. And it's kind of still the same way. It's not sub 100%, 16, 65, and $10. But ELAB, this made a move this morning at 4 a.m. and then it's just since pulled back. This stock does this, I think, every single day. So had a move in the after hours, and then it did the breakthrough. The after hours high was a nice trade if whoever at 4 a.m. would have got that, but this stock does this all the time. So yeah, my first trade was on JDZG. Awful name, awful ticker for awful name for a ticker. Just make it easy. Chinese stock, no news. We'll see what's going on. So my first trade was at 706. So we had this nice little rally up here, and I ended up taking the trade through three. I got filled kind of high. I pressed the buy button right as it broke three, and I think it must have just got filled up. Like it must have just immediately went to like 311, where I got filled, and I think I got out at 319 or 320. Yeah, 320 for profit. And then I took another trade about 10 minutes later, trying for the breakthrough the pre-market high, and I got that again filled a little bit higher than what I thought. Like I'm pretty sure I pressed the buy button right at like 353, and I got filled at 357, and then I got out at 365. So I got a couple cents extra, like 8 cents a share on that with 50 shares. And then I traded CYN with very small share size, just because it was $7, and we had this move, and then all the topping tails. I muted you, computer. Stay muted. Pull up the chart. I need to. My mic situation is annoying because I have it on my desk. And I'm moving here soon, so I'm not buying a new desk. So, but I can't get like a desk mount because this desk is like 6 inches thick. But we'll get back into trading because that's what we're all here for. This stock kind of made me slightly nervous just with all of these topping tails when it first spiked up. Like there was really no good setup anywhere. And then at 316 or up 716, Jesus. Where's my trade? 710 to 714. So very small trade. Wait. Oh, 723. Sorry, is when I purchased this stock. So I was looking to get right here. So we're looking for the break of the pre-market high right here. I'll actually mark that out. So 714. And I bought at 710 to anticipate this breakout, and we pushed up, and I didn't have this line here at that time. We broke it, and then I think I had, when we got this doji candle, I think I just sold out for like 3 cents a profit. So really wasn't anything too meaningful. I was annoyed because I did have a good trade on it. I was up 20 something cents, but is what it is. And then lastly, GWH. So this stock was not obvious at all, but someone in the Warrior chat room just pointed it out that it was starting to curl, and we got this breakthrough VWAP. And I was waiting after it broke VWAP. This stock did make this move pre-market, like 4 a.m. So I was like, oh well, maybe we can get a test. It will test for that, but it just wasn't obvious enough. Didn't have enough volume, which is weird because there was a good bit of volume here compared to what we had this morning. Well, not really, because up in this morning, 124,000 shares compared to 169 when that's at a way more high volume time of the day. So yeah, I ended up taking a very small trade. I think I only took like 15 shares and I lost 90 cents on it. So just didn't really work out. I was waiting for more of a pullback here, and we ended up getting this one green candle, and I think I was waiting for maybe we'll get a 1 minute candle to make a new high, and I got that, and then just didn't really work out. So I was like, I'm just going to get out. I think what I saw was the ask got up at like 1160 something. I was like, all right, here we go. And then the bid dropped to 1137, and I had a sell order on the ask, and luckily that got filled up because the spread opened up, and I was like, I'm just going to get out of this. So I did and lost 90 cents. So yeah, that is my day for today. Let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.